True.
All right, today was a cooler and cloudier day across the county. Many of us didn't see any sunshine at all. La Jolla's showing those overcast skies. But thanks to those clouds, fog will not be as much of an issue overnight into tomorrow morning. I talked to a few of you saying, man, that fog was really scary last night. I had a really hard time seeing. When I drove home after the 11, yeah, it was pretty foggy. So as we head into tonight and tomorrow, yes, there will still be pockets of fog. It's just not likely to see as much widespread dense fog like we saw last night and into this morning. So this is for your morning commute tomorrow. Some patchy fog, visibility down to about 2 to 4 miles, parts of the North County, Vista out towards Escondido, even parts of El Cajon, Chula Vista, pretty much any of the coast and inland neighborhoods, you do have a possibility of fog. Again, it's just not going to be as bad as it was this morning or last night. Right now we're in the 50s for most of the county. La Jolla at 60 degrees, Mount Laguna at 46 degrees. Tonight, also thanks to the clouds, it won't be as cold. Most of our coastal areas are going to be staying in the mid-50s all night, only dropping down to the maybe low 50s by early tomorrow morning. And even inland neighborhoods, we're staying in the 50s most of this evening. It's really not until the early morning hours tomorrow we'll start to see those 40s developing. And even Ramona expected to wake up in the 40s tomorrow instead of the 30s you've been seeing. Tomorrow will be cooler even than today. Low to mid 60s for the coast, 60s for our inland neighborhoods, 50s in our mountain communities. The desert's still not a big change here. We're in the 70s and only a slight chance for any rain in the deserts tomorrow. We will see a better chance on Friday. That goes for anywhere in the county, but not really expecting too much in the deserts. So here's the storm system. It is going to be diving south of San Diego. And I will tell you, the weather models have come into a really good agreement that we will be getting rain on Friday, but the rainfall totals are really still all over the place. And it's really no surprise because if this storm tracks closer to us, we'll obviously see more rain. If it tracks farther south, we won't see as much rain. So this is one of our 10News higher resolution models showing that chance for some rain as we head into tomorrow morning. But again, anything tomorrow is going to be light and isolated. Keep an umbrella handy and you'll be fine. By the evening, still seeing a few isolated showers. Friday is when we're going to be seeing isolated to, at times, scattered showers across the county. And that does include your morning commute. So your morning commute on Friday could be really dealing with some wet roads and occasional rainfall. That continues through mid-morning. We may see a little break in the afternoon and then another round of rain coming through in the evening. But this is also not going to be one of those storms that we've been seeing where it's steady rain, heavy rain for hours. So the flood risk is pretty minimal with this storm. We'll continue a chance for showers into Saturday, though the best chance for any rain on Saturday will be near our mountains. It also kind of just depends on how quickly the storm system exits. So this is the European model. I do think this has been the best model tracking this storm system even since last week. So I'm going with their rainfall totals. I think these look pretty good. Most of us will see about 1/4 of an inch, locally up to about 1/2 an inch, and a few spots could see a little bit more, especially if you live in the mountain areas. So expecting some rain for the end of the week and cooler temperatures, but we dry out by Sunday. In fact, a lot of areas will be dry by Saturday, but I am keeping that slight chance for showers around. Next week, we're also drying out, but keeping it fairly on the cool side in the 60s, especially compared to where we've been. These temperatures are actually not far off from average, though. Meanwhile, the inland neighborhoods, we're going to see 60s for a few more days, back in the 70s by Sunday. And low to mid 70s back in store for us next week. For the mountains, it is going to be getting even colder. We're down to 48 degrees in Julian on Saturday. By Friday, even Palomar Mountain will be in the 40s. But at this point, still does not look likely to see snow, rebounding to the mid 50s next week. And the desert's only a slight chance for any showers here with temperatures in the low 70s Friday into early next week. So a little bit of rain, but we could use it.